Hey guys, in this video I'm going to tell you how much money I earned from 390 million views. I'm going to show you my top 3 long videos, how much I earned from them, and then top 2 short videos, how much I earned from them, and my all-time revenue. So this is the long form video which has gotten 41.4 million views, watch hours is 2.6 millions, and subscriber I got from this video is 98.6. And now the revenue, the 28,000 US dollar I earned from 41.4 million views. So this is my second longest video which gotten me 39.9 million views, has 2.8 million watch hours and 65,000 subscribers I got from it. And this video has earned me $29,000. And this is the third video which has gotten me 20 million views with 430k watch hours and 36,000 subscribers. This video has earned $6,000. And this is the short video which has gotten 500k views, 1,000 subscriber and just $2. And this is the second short video which has gotten 245.6k views, 746 subscriber and has earned $4. And now my full-time revenue. Now my full-time revenue of this channel is 390 million views, 15 millions of watch time, 565 subscriber, and this has earned me $197,746, like almost $200,000. So I will convert this in Indian rupees and I will show you how much it converts. Indian rupee, and this has converts into 1.4 crores from 390 million views. All right, so subscribe to my channel. I will teach you how to gain this much views and earn this much amount of money from multiple channels.